Hi, I'm Parker Pierce, and this is how to make grass in an animated scene. If you're working on a background in any type of nature scene and you want to feel more lively, this is a quick trick to do so. First, open Flash, make a new layer, use the line tool to draw a thin triangle. Next, use the selection tool to bend it into the shape of a blade of grass. Fill the grass with your desired color using the paint bucket tool. Double-click the lines outlining the shape and delete them. Next, copy the blade of grass several times and rotate them into place until they become a patch of grass. When you have this patch of grass, you can press F8 to convert it into a symbol. Add some keyframes and skew the grass left and right with the transform tool, then tween them so that they sway back and forth. Repeat this process as many times as you need. Remember to offset the keys so that they don't sway in unison.